Nongïasaid an Udive Sharma ubawan nadu Indore Bynyasaid Pynïap Jamin ya Shillong James unong penwaying ya kasonam ha kabakalasa katto kanisngi hadin kejing Pynïap ya la ukurim jongka uraja Raghavanshi ula penpau ya kejing Skhem bau James unyo ya ka Jamin na kayeng kasyari namar dan Bynta AA ha kakam Pynïap. James ula syak kena bau tu ya ke pistol kapisa basan lak tengka kejing deng siar jong uraja Raghavanshi bat kasonam. Arngut kiwe pat ki bala Skhem rengkat bau James kidai ulokin dressing tomar bat u balbir ahirwar ki bala de Pynïap Jamin bat baro arngut kila syak kena bagi penjulor ya kisaki badan jingedai bat kejing Pynïap ya uraja. Kayeng kasyari ling ba first class judicial magistrate uba DKK misil ha kajing tian bishar biang ya James kakhat nrutarik unaitung araja rapusan kalabu teng shuaban aya karai bat kani kajing tian bishar ya James kadai hadir bala kutpor kajing pengat judicial custody ya nakabenta khat sausngi. Nakaliang Udive Sharma uloong ba James sudang up ya karai nakayeng kasyari bat usngo Skhem ba unyo Jamin.
We are already cleared about that we are innocent in this case and we can't have a kind of information about this case. My client is very innocent and we are praying this in a court actually. Just in the Hindi conversation I will tell you like that it's a part of trial. The pendency is going on. There is no order passed right now and nothing is being given a date or anything right.
So the order is reserved, the bail?
Yeah, bail is reserved right now.
So the date will be announced later on?
Yeah, I'm definitely confident about myself and my argument and hope the court is also understand my opinions in this case and argument on this case. And the nature of this case is not a kind of harder for my client side. Okay. Argument is that we are innocent in this case. हमें बुरी तरीके से फंसाया गया है, conspiracy की गई है. I really humbly says you, this is a part of trial. Right now, no comment in that because this is a sincere case and if something is happened and anything I tell you right now, then it will be goes against that case and all.
So you're hopeful that your client may get bailed up like Kamara and the security guard?
No, definitely.
Assistant Public Prosecutor Tushar Chanda Bynyasaid persya ia kejingpan Jamin uloong ba James ula pendo ia kisaki sabut bat kindang apshua ia karai nakayeng kasyari.
From prosecution side, we have given a strong objection in granting bail to Shillong James. Court has fixed for order, no date is fixed. Court has reserved for the order. That's all.
On what ground you are opposing the bail?
That I cannot give any comment because this is a part of our submission. I cannot give any comment on that.
But you feel that there is strong ground to oppose the bail? To reject that? So that
I will not give any comment. This is our duty to give strong objection. We have given.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka batau bha kam kata ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.